Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome to this masterclass on 5 keys to overcome what's holding you back from becoming that purpose-driven woman you are meant to be. If you're joining me live, do say who you are, where in the world that you're coming from. And if you're watching this on the replay, share with me and let me know that you are watching this on the replay as well. This is a really important topic that I want to talk about today. As you know, that 2020 has been a turvy year for all of us around the world. Globally, we have been impacted with this pandemic. Some of us have lost, whether that's homes, money, jobs, security, and so much more. There's been such a outcry from, personal loss, also more global when it comes to the Black Lives Matter and that coming to the forefront. 2020 has been such a year of upheaval. It's had, really good points too for some people as well as myself. But overall, 2020 has been a year that has shaken up the entire world. And I want to remind you today that despite of everything that's happening to you, around you, that you've heard, that you've watched on the news, that you are still being called, that you're still being called to be that woman, to have a greater impact, a woman that's being called to have an influence on the lives of people around you, and for those individuals that you are meant to serve. So today I'm going to be talking about the 5 keys to overcome what's been holding you back from becoming that purpose-driven woman that you are meant to be. For those who don't know me, my name is Kharisma Aro. I'm a next level mentor breakthrough for women like yourself, high level women like yourself, who are ready to really stepping to the woman that she's meant to be, whether on serving, to have the impact, the income, and the influence. And I help them break through feeling stuck around money so that they can earn, attract, and receive more of it while fully aligned to prosperity, power, and pleasure. So get your pen and your paper and get ready to take notes, because this is something that you can go over after this masterclass and that you can integrate into your life. So number 1, the first key to really overcome what's holding you back is to give yourself permission to acknowledge the pain, the loss, the fear, and the failure that you may have been experiencing, especially in 2020, or something that may have been holding you back from years ago that you're still overcoming, that you're still going through the emotional pain, the emotional loss. There's still some residue there. And sometimes it's up and down. I know what it's like to lose a loved one, or to lose a relationship coming to an end. And it takes time to overcome. And as time passes, the pain, the emotional charge of the pain dims more and more. Even though you may remember, you may still have some of the feelings, that emotional charge dims over time. But you need to give yourself permission to allow yourself to grieve, to allow yourself to acknowledge that this hurts. It hurts. This loss of a loved one, a family member, whether it's to death, whether it's to sickness, whether it's to them gone in a way that you could never imagine that it would be taken from you. Trust me, I know. And it's been 2 years this September when I lost my uncle 2 years ago to cancer. And I'm telling you, this loss will rock my world. He was a man who was instrumental in me being the woman that I am today, a woman living on purpose, a woman speaking my truth, a woman going after the desires of her heart, a woman who's not perfect, a woman who doesn't have it all together, but a woman who knows that she's here to make a difference in this world, a woman who knows that she's called, a woman who knows that she is meant to have an impact on the people that she's meant to serve. That's me. And he was instrumental in that, in me becoming who I am, in me coming to Canada from Barbados when I just finished high school and going on a path and studying computer studies. I've shared this story before. And a woman who deepened her relationship with God and who has that relationship still to this day. And a woman knowing that at the end of the day, we're all being called to live on purpose and getting clear on what that is, right? That death, that loss shifted me and impacted me to the core until I felt, as I was grieving, I felt like I could not move forward, that I didn't know how to move forward from this loss, this death, from him leaving this earth. Now, I know the truth of that we are all spiritual beings having an earthly experience here on earth, and that our time here on earth is numbered, and that we don't know when our last day will be. But this is what I know for sure. I know for sure that we all have a purpose. We're all here for a particular time. And that is our responsibility to get clear on what that purpose is. And it's our responsibility to live on purpose every single day. And as human beings, we're going to experience loss. We're going to experience suffering on some level. We're going to experience things that don't make us feel good. Experiences that don't make us feel good. But despite of our pain, despite of our loss, despite of feeling like we can't move forward when we experience something negative, we have to give ourselves permission to feel the pain, to grieve the loss, and to accept whatever failures that you may have experienced along the way. And also, not only giving ourselves permission, but also giving yourself permission to overcome it. Feeling the feeling of loss, but also knowing that with time, you will overcome it. You won't forget, but you will overcome it. And I remember feeling like I could not move forward. I could not move forward. But with time, after days of crying, just uncontrollably crying, it got easier. The pain subsided and it got easier. And in his passing and that experience has shown me that I am here to serve at a deeper level, to facilitate transformation, and to really help me get clear on my why, my bigger why. We all have a bigger why. So what's your bigger why? Do you know why you're here? Do you know who you're meant to serve? Do you know what the impact is that you are meant to have in this world? So even though you may be feeling the loss right now, you may have lost your job, your business may have tanked in this year 2020, there's still hope. And my message today is to tell you that there is still hope. Do not give up. Do not give up. Do not throw in the towel. You may need to pivot. You may need to resurface again, but don't give up, because you will overcome. But give yourself permission to grieve. Give yourself permission to accept the loss and the failure. Give yourself permission to accept the pain that you may be feeling right now, because it's not going to last forever. And number 2 is reconnecting to your big why. Why are you doing what you're doing? Why you stepped into entrepreneurship? You know, it's been 10 years, not 10 years, it's been 7 years that I've stepped into entrepreneurship 100% full time. I've always had the plan to step into entrepreneurship full time. But at the time, the way it happened, I didn't see it coming. And it has been the greatest gift. At the time that it happened, I was healing from a surgery. I had just returned to my amazing corporate job as a consultant, where I was making six figures, had an amazing boss and manager, a manager that I've never experienced before, someone who was understanding. I could walk into his office and share from my heart and give my ideas and my strategy and my opinions about things. The best manager, hands down, that I've had. And going on a short-term disability only to return to the company being being restructured, and me not having a job, but knowing the plans that I had to go into my business 6 months from then. And it pushed me into full-time entrepreneurship. Even when I didn't think I was ready, it pushed me into full-time entrepreneurship. And that has led to where I am today. Me, jumping in full, head on, really tapping into the consulting side of my business, but then shifting as I got clearer on my purpose, got clearer on my why. Why am I doing this? Why do I want to do this? What is my purpose? It wasn't easy. It hasn't been easy. It has been a journey of ups and downs. It has been a journey of laughter and tears. It has been a journey of such personal development. And I would not change it for the world, because it has taught me, to be that woman that I know that I'm meant to be, and to live on purpose even more deeply. And furthermore, getting clear on my desires is number 3. Getting clear on your desires. What do you want for your life and your business? Giving yourself permission to go after those desires. It has allowed me this path that I'm on, and I'm calling you to give yourself, to get clear on the desires that you have for yourself, or that you want to manifest in your life and in your business. Over the 7 years, I have, really got clear on what I want, really developed a mindset that has catapulted me to where I am today, really be building my relationship with money, and taking my manifestation to the next level, intentionally manifesting what I desire. And that's what I help my clients with, really shifting their mindset, really rebuilding their relationship with money, and really understanding how to intentionally manifest what they desire. Now, manifestation, people hear about manifestation, I think it's this big woo-hoo-hoo, but really we're manifesting every single day. As long as you're alive, you're manifesting. But what I teach my students and my clients is to intentionally manifest what they desire and bring into their reality what they want now as opposed to later, sooner than later. The next step and key is to create a plan, right? What is the plan? You have an idea of what you desire, but how are you going to get there? I believe that in order to be successful, in order to move forward, it takes two. It takes the spiritual and it takes the strategic. However, it's more so the spiritual part, which is 80%, and the strategic is 20%. So the strategic is the plan. Creating a plan. What do you want to be? What are you trying to desire? What do you desire? What do you want to manifest? And when do you want these things to actually be actually appear into your life? How are you going to get there? Sometimes the how is not very clear, but that's not really important right now. But having a plan, a 90-day plan, soon is going to be 2021. What do you desire? What do you want in your life? Who are you serving? How are you serving them? Are you clear on those details? So that's what I'm talking about, the plan that will help you move forward, the plan that will keep you accountable, the plan that will help you stay focused and committed to the vision that you have for your life and for your business. And finally is to get support. We can't do it alone. You can't do it alone. I can't do it alone. I've gotten support. I am deeply supported in my life and in my business. And that is to get support from someone that is a couple steps ahead of you, that's already gone the path that where you desire to be. Get support. Try not to be a hero, some superhero trying to do it alone. Eventually you may get it done. Eventually you may manifest the things that you want, but it will take you twice as long. Working with someone who can help you get there, who can help you get the success, who can help you manifest the things that you desire, who can help you show up to be the woman that you are meant to be, to help serve the individuals that you're meant to serve, and to help facilitate transformation that you and only you can facilitate for those individuals that you're meant to serve. They're calling you, they're looking for you. Get support. Get the support that you deserve. Get the support that you desire. If this message has served you in any way, I would love to invite you to join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club, where you will be mentored, you'll be supported, you will have accountability when it comes to mindset, when it comes to money, when it comes to manifestation, when it comes to really getting and creating a clear plan on from where you are and where you desire to be, who you're meant to serve, the impact you're meant to have, the life that you desire to live, how you desire to live the life that you want, that dream life that you want, how to get clear on packaging your brilliance into an irresistible offer that you can confidently and boldly show up and present to the world so that you can really attract those ideal clients to work with you, whether that's one-on-one or in a group program, and to really share your message and your story from your heart and show up boldly, unapologetically sharing your message, sharing with the world, having the impact that you desire. If that's you, I would love to invite you to join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club. Click on the link below this video and join me over there. This is a place, a vortex that I've created at a nominal fee, monthly fee, where you can get the support that you need. And if you desire deeper support, there are also opportunities to work with me one-on-one or within the Next Level Manifestation Academy. Or if you're ready to shift your mindset, your money mindset, rebuild your story with money, you can also do that in the Dare to Be Iconic Academy. Those are all the options that are available to you. But why not jump in, get a taste in the Dare to Be Iconic Club, where it's for a nominal fee, monthly fee, and you will get the support that you desire. So I hope that this message has served you on the 5 keys to overcoming what is holding you back from becoming that woman you're meant to be, that woman that's living on purpose, that woman that's having the impact she desires, that woman that's showing up boldly and courageously in all her true essence and sharing from her heart and standing in her truth and really speaking life into those individuals that she's meant to serve at a deeper level. If that's you, message me, click on the link below this video that I'm going to place. If that's you, I'd love to see you on the inside in the Dare to Be Iconic Club. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.